All right, everybody, here we go. Nice fat one there. Landed him on my brand new net. Worked perfectly, flipped out. It's a great net. And getting around with my Minn Kota Endura 30 in my pontoon boat. Okay, now I'm going to get this thing loose, get him loose and back in the water. Anyway, it's a good day. Bye now. Okay, everyone, here we go. This one went almost 4 pounds, and I just want to throw him in on the end of this video so you can see what I caught. Enjoyed it. Hey, you have a great time. Go fishing and use this stuff. Bye now.